What is up, everybody? Skunk72 coming at you from sunny Southern California. Yeah, I'm starting to think I'm living in like the Midwest lately. Like, yeah, no sunshine lately. So I've been watching everybody's mail calls, seeing all the stickers that are being shared around, and as much as I would love to get in on that and do like some sticker exchanges. I'm going to be honest with you guys. I have zero talent when it comes to art, and I'm not very creative. So I have not come up with a design. What I don't know what I need. Do I need like an artist or somebody that's really good with graphic design in order to do stickers? I have no idea. Yeah, nor can I really afford to be spending a bunch of money and getting stickers made, because I just can't do that. The few stickers that I have gotten from people, I put them on my toolbox. My goal is to have that toolbox just covered with people's stickers at some point. So maybe one of these days, if I come up with a design or find somebody that could be creative for me, maybe I'll get in on this whole sticker exchange thing. Now, you want to see how creative I am? Go back to the start of this video when my little channel intro for the start of my video comes in. That's about as creative as I get. Honestly, I'm surprised I was ever able to create a YouTube channel with my lack of creativeness. And I hate to say it, guys, but I think this whole working 2 jobs and putting in 100-hour weeks is finally starting to get to me a little bit. I was supposed to work yesterday and didn't realize it, and I didn't make it. I started getting phone calls about an hour after my shift was supposed to start, asking, "Hey dude, where the hell are you?" I didn't know I was supposed to work, and it was already too late for me to go in and still pick up the day. So unfortunately, that's about a $450 mistake for missing my shift. To be honest with you, I've been doing these insane hours for almost a year now. Wow, thank you for not killing me. Fuck. So after almost a year, I'm really surprised that this is the first time I've screwed up my schedule like this. Then on top of it, my one job is about 40 miles away or so, and I don't get very many days off. When I do, I spend most of it sleeping, which is making up for lost sleep all week. So the one job, when they have like training things to do, where it might be an hour and a half maybe, and they say, "Hey, you need to come in and do this, but you can't do it on day you're working because that will put you in double time. You have to do it on day off. So, you know, just pop on over and get it taken care of." Yeah, pop on over. First of all, I don't get very many days off. Second of all, pop on over is a bit of an adventure. In fact, that's where I'm coming from right now. I had to go get a blood draw done because I work at the emergency room. I had to get a blood draw done for a tuberculosis test. I woke up to a call this morning that said, "Come in, it has to be done today or you're going to be suspended." Okay, great. Glad I was off today so I could do it. Otherwise I would have just had to take a suspension, which that's not good. That makes me very unhappy. Then the other job, our whole management team moved. They're not at our main anymore. They're at a different main station. So I get a call from them for a license renewal thing that's required in our area. It's stupid. It's a racket, which is what it is. In order to operate an ambulance within city limits of Los Angeles, you have to have a DOT permit from the Los Angeles Department of Transportation, where you have to do a live scan background check, and show them all your certifications to show that you're a licensed EMT, and then you can get this card. Now, to be honest with you, I'd probably be okay with the whole city DOT thing if I hadn't already sent all this stuff to the state of California to have my ambulance permit, or my ambulance certification on my driver's license. Which, you know, that's a whole nother story about how stupid that test is. But I've also already got a background check and a live scan on file with Los Angeles County, Ventura County, the state of California, to get that ambulance license. All these places already know I have all my proper certifications, but the city got to dip in too and charge me $150 every 2 years to get this. It's just typical California style governments just dipping into everybody's pockets. So what I was getting at was, a couple days ago, I got a call, or actually a text, saying, hey, your DOT appointment's in 2 days. You're going to need to be here Friday, 8:30 in the morning. And I was like, yeah, that's not enough notice for me, because, you know, I have to have a second job because you don't pay me enough to live on. And I thought I was scheduled to work that day, which I wasn't because I fucked up my schedule, and I was supposed to work yesterday. Friday's today. So today's the day I was supposed to go to that appointment. So I told him I had to reschedule it. And it turned out I probably could have gone. Oops. So I don't know if this shit is just ridiculous, or am I just being a pain in the ass? Am I just a little worn out and it's pissing me off more than it should? So one of the channels that I watch quite often is MCrider. You guys have seen him. He does a lot of instructional and just informational type videos for motorcyclists. And I watched one of his videos the other day that he did. It was about shifting. And it's something I never thought of. I'd never even heard of. And, you know, I don't know why. It seems like something they should be telling you at, like, the rider classes and stuff. It was about shifting your motorcycle. And if you put a little bit of pressure on your gear shift, just a little bit, before you pull in the clutch, as you pull the clutch in, as soon as that clutch gets engaged, because you know you don't have to pull the clutch all the way back to the grip in order for it to engage. As soon as you get to that sweet spot, if you have that little bit of pressure on your gear shift, it's automatically going to pop up into the next gear, making your shifting quicker, more efficient. You're not going to lose speed so much. And, you know, it'll do the same thing downshifting. So today I've been riding around while I'm, you know, doing all this crap that I don't want to do, but I ride the motorcycle to make it so at least I can survive. I've been practicing that. I'm getting actually pretty good with the upshift, not so much with the downshift. I'm working on the muscle memory. It's kind of hard because, you know, I've been riding for a little while now and I just have my way of doing things. But for the upshifting wise, it works, man. It's great. I'm so glad he did this video. Like I said, I've only been doing it today, so it's not like I'm a pro at it, but it is pretty cool. Alright guys, I think I'm just going to call it quits from here because the rest of the ride is pretty much going to be 40 miles of freeway. And, you know, that's going to get pretty boring, and I'd rather just turn on some music. And being that I don't have my Tascam with me, I can't listen to music unless I turn off my Sena audio pack. So, everybody, ride them if you got them, man. The weather's getting great. Get out there and ride. Rub it side down, shine side up, be safe, and I'll talk to y'all later. I'm out.